Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Howard Claney speaking. We are about to present a ringside, blow-by-blow description of the Bear Lewis fight, broadcast made possible by Buick. Buick Automobile. This program is offered by Buick solely for your enjoyment. We will not mar your pleasure or impose on your good nature with frequent and lengthy commercial announcements.
En el malecón, limpiando pescado, quemándose al sol. Pero aquí tenía un plan, tenía una ilusión, ponerse este mundo en un cinturón. Y por 10 pesitos compro un guante de izquierdas para salir a golpes de su amarga pobreza. En la vieja Habana un yanqui lo vio, firmó un gran contrato, se fue a New York. Cuando King Chocolate conquistó Nueva York, no cabía en el Garden ni otro flaco zumbo. Cuando King Chocolate conquistó Nueva York, no cabía en el Garden ni otro flaco zumbo.
This is the night that Sharky's in and he's fighting like a champion. A straight left to his face and there's the bell. And here is head shooting.
Tras un KO hay otro, un récord divino, siempre alzan la mano de pugil latino. Aquella velada su propio destino, le colocó un gancho, truncó su camino. Las chicas bonitas, las noches eternas que roban el aire y el juego de piernas. Besaste la lona de aquel cabaret, nunca habías oído contar hasta 10. Cuando King Chocolate conquistó Nueva York, no cabía en el Garden ni otro flaco zumbo. Cuando King Chocolate conquistó New York, no cabía en el Garden ni otro flaco zumbo.
A left hook to Lewis's chin lands a right uppercut inside Lewis, takes a short right chop to the chin from Lewis, and they spar in the center of the ring for an opening. Jack is weaving, and as Bob has shown, Joe's being very carefully, lands a straight left and a hard right hand, and Sharky's down against the rope. He swung over the lower rope to count 4, 6, 7, 8. Jack is up again. Arthur Donovan, the referee, wipes off his gloves, and he faces the brown bomber who comes in charging with his left hand extended wide with a hard right. He hooks the left to Sharky's chin, and Jack lands the left. Sharky is hit some, but there he goes on the chin, and he's fallen before us over the microphone for another knockdown. He's sitting here, taking his mouth guard out, shaking his head. It doesn't look as though he may make it this time. 9, 10, and out. 10 and out. Jack made a good fight of it.
He certainly put on a beautiful exhibition of punching tonight. Crowd roaring and yelling, the policeman approaching the ring. And as Joe accepts the applause of the crowd, his right hand upraised by Harry Balo, the crowd getting up, and in all the other Scripps Howard newspapers. This is the Columbia Broadcasting System.